Hello ladies and gents, welcome to another excellent week of English 101. Luckily this is a short week as we have the holiday coming up, so I'm just gonna outline what we should be working on. This week is much more self-paced than a lot of our past weeks just because everyone's holidays look so different, especially this year. So I wanted to give some flexibility and some fluidity with people's schedules. So this week is pretty self-paced. I've got suggestions of things I think you should be working on, but how you manage your time is up to you. So I encourage you to use it wisely and well as we head into these next couple days. I do want to just take a second and apologize for the delay in communication that some of you may have experienced these past couple days. I did get a positive COVID test this last week. My little sister works in the ER and I watch her kids, so it was probably only a matter of time. My family has been incredibly careful. I've only seen the people who live in my house and my sister since March, so it's been a very, very long year for us so far. I just want to encourage you guys to be very careful about COVID and how easily it spreads. I am a pretty healthy person. I go running a lot. I'm very active. I've got toddlers I chase. I'm young. I'm in one of the younger age groups, like not a high risk age group. But this thing kicked my butt, folks. Like up one side and down the other sort of kicked my butt. Like, you know, if roadkill maybe got run over once by a garbage truck, and then also got run over by like one of those street sweepers that clean the cement. That's kind of what I felt like. I kid you not. This thing is just no fun. It knocks you on your butt and it's pretty awful, even for someone who is young and healthy. So please be careful. Just make good choices. You all know what to do at this point. You know, we've been told since February. Wash your hands, wear a mask, social distance. I don't want you guys to get this because it super sucks. And I would hate for it to get passed along to somebody who doesn't react as well. So stay safe, guys. Take care of yourselves. Be kind to one another. All that good stuff. I wouldn't wish this on anyone. So hang in there, folks. You're doing great work. This week, we are doing some peer review. Lots of you have already posted in here, so kudos, congratulations. You're awesome. Those of you who haven't, post your drafts so that you can get some good feedback. I'm currently going through your thesis worksheets, so I hope to have those done by the end of today to give you some good feedback on those as well. So you've got a lot of good stuff to think about as we're going through this week, because you're going to be working on writing and revising your essay and working on your annotated bibliography as we head through the next couple days. So keep that in mind, pace yourself, use your time wisely and well. And you should be set to go as we go into the last week of November here. So lots of good stuff coming our way. I do just want to encourage you in case you're like, nothing is happening and this seems to be going on forever. Guys, we're super duper almost done with the quarter. Like, how crazy is that? I just clicked us into December and dude, look at this. We have 1 week in December and then it's finals week. Like, we are so almost done, guys. We are so close. So hang in there. You're doing great work. I'm really pleased with what I've been seeing so far. Make sure you're reading all your feedback in your projects that you've submitted so far. Project 1 and Project 2 are all graded. So check out that feedback because it should inform your process as you go through Project 3. But really just stellar job, guys. Way to stick with it. This has been a crazy quarter for so many people. And I just so admire your grit and your determination and your willingness to push through barriers to get to your goals. So congratulations. Super well done. You are almost there, guys. I will be catching up on my emails today as well. So hopefully if you sent me something, you will hear back from me today. Have a great day, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay kind, and have a great Thanksgiving break.